Work done by battery in charging the capacitor. See, this is capacitor of capacitance C connected with one battery of potential difference V. So when we are charging this capacitor like this, charge enters, this plate will become positive, and charge leaving the capacitor, this is negative. And energy stored in capacitor is half CV square. Now we are finding work done. How much work done in charging this capacitor? So work done is charge into potential difference, and Q is equal to CV. So work done by the battery is CV square. When this battery charging this capacitor and energy stored in capacitor is half CV square. For that, work done by the battery is CV square. C, it is double. C, it is twice of 2 times energy stored in capacitor. Means whatever energy stored in capacitor, 2 times that energy stored in capacitor is the work done in charging the capacitor. Remember this, if energy stored in capacitor is 100 joule, then work done by battery in charging this capacitor will be 2 times this energy. This will be 200 joules. Means work done by the battery is double the energy stored in capacitor. You call it point number 1, hold. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now see point number 2. How much heat loss, energy loss? This is energy loss in terms of heat and electromagnetic radiation. This is without any resistance. And what will be the energy loss? This is work done CV square. This is energy stored. So this CV square minus half CV square. It is half CV square. This is nothing but exactly equal to energy stored in capacitor. This signifies whatever energy stored in capacitor, same amount of energy loss happens while charging this capacitor from a battery, because we are doing double work done. If 100 joule is the energy stored, then 200 joule work done by the battery. So 200 minus 100, 100 joule is loss in energy. So this will be loss in energy. Breathe in slowly and gradually. Now if we reverse the polarity of capacitor, if polarities of capacitor is reversed, now this is continuation. Next point, whatever next number. See, this was the capacitor like this, positive, negative. It was charged by the battery of potential difference V and energy stored half CV square in the capacitor. Now we are reversing the polarities like this. Focus 100%. See, this is positive plate. Now this is positive plate and negative plate is this side. It is detached and placed reverse. If this is done, then what will happen? Then this capacitor will start, focus 100%. This capacitor will charge from this side. Simultaneously, this capacitor will be discharged from this side. See, this is discharging of capacitor going on. And this Q amount of charge will pass through this battery. Simultaneously, charging of capacitor going through this side. Finally, situation will be like this. Finally, it will be fully charged again with the energy of capacitor half CV square again, and these polarities, see, it was negative earlier, finally it will be positive and negative. This will be the situation finally. So meanwhile, what is the work done by battery? Breathe in slowly and gradually. You see how much amount of charge passing through the battery. Work done is charge into potential difference. Now during this particular case, when discharging of capacitor going through positive plate and simultaneously charging of the capacitor going on through this side, so double charge passes through the battery, twice Q. So this will be the total charge passing through the battery into potential difference V. So it is 2QV. This is the work done by the battery. This is the case when polarities of capacitor is reversed. It was fully charged capacitor. It was fully charged capacitor, and now polarities are reversed. So discharging as well as charging, both processes are being done simultaneously. Then work done will be 2Q into V. You know Q is equal to CV into V twice of CV square. Now this will be the work done. And finally energy stored in the capacitor will be same, half CV square. Got it?